inspired by the daisy wheel printer. I've been looking at printers online and now I seem to have a thing for them. And so I picked up another one. This one.
Is this,
if I can get into it, will be a dot matrix. Or what they were calling in the day, the graphics printer. Where the daisy wheel is what they would term a letter quality printer. Here we are, look. Oh, it's upside down. Correct that in a moment.
Ah, Commodore.
Of course. Oh, there we go. There's the bit you need to see. Look at that around there. That's what it is. So, which end to go into? That end looks open.
That's the top, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I would have thought so, but...
Oh, that end's open.
It looks
open here, look.
open here.
Open
yeah, that's
here,
a clue. Hey, look at that. Dust cover.
Oh, that's nice.
And...
I need to hold it
I think
vertically and then trip.
Maybe for the floor. Yeah. Here we are.
I'll hold one end. So you can
Hold that open. Right, so what have we got here? That must be a ribbon. And I'm assuming that's a ribbon. Oh look. Ah.
I'll take that out.
Rather helpfully, there is some paper. If I can get to it, here we are. We've also got one of these. You don't always see those available with the printers. Something to get going with it.
And manual.
A slimline book, not quite as big as the daisy wheel book. This one's just a booklet. Anyway, some crease it already. Some lines of programming to try.
Yeah.
And then this, do I want it horizontal or do I want it vertical?
Vertical, I think so.
Feet around the bottom of the box. Wow. So, how nice to have a boxed one.
Oh, it's a different shape.
And look,
It's quite a different shape.
another one.
Yeah.
So, a nice little bargain on eBay. As it seems to be, nobody's really interested in these. Oh, it's had a big bash. Oh, how disappointing. So we've got a crack right along there.
Exactly that.
Never mind.
Straighten it out and glue it. It might clip back. I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, let's not break it now.
Yeah.
Well, there's the ribbon. You can see that flapping.
Yeah. And this is a...
This is the 802, not the common one that you see.
Oh,
You
yeah.
normally see the 801.
It's quite different. There's a knob on the side. Is that the on and off switch?
That's a push button.
No, there.
Well, this is a push button.
Yeah. On the front, so...
Not sure what that would do. Paper advance. That's got to be power on and
That's
off.
the power on and off.
Round the back, kettle lead, fuse, 2 serial connections. Anything underneath. Shipping bolts. whatever they are.
Yeah, stop it moving. Stop it moving around on there. Yes. So you got that.
So I can see some cogs.
No, I haven't been holding this steady enough, have I?
You happy?
Yeah, but I wasn't. No, I was watching what you were doing, not watching what I was doing.
So we've got the usual dot matrix tractor feed. Although, where it prints, is that a release of some kind? That's the release. Where it prints onto is onto a drum, so my question here would be, can that work on cut paper sizes just the same as tractor feed paper?
Well, you could always try it. See what happens. Whether it advances the paper or not.
That's going to be paper thickness, I would think.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what that does. Releases behind, I think. So there we are. Neat little thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it should be the colour to match, more or less, the Commodore 64.
Yeah, yeah.
I wonder if it gives a date. 1984. So yeah, this would have been the graphics printer to sit alongside the daisy wheel. At least one of those available. Here we are to perform a quick test. Come on. You press the power advance lever at the same time as switching the power on. And there you go, release. We have a little red light on here. And that is
Does it do more?
test print.
No, it isn't. Hang on, there's more. Look.
So the alternative name for this is a 1526 revision 07C. Oh, what's this then? More test results. Now, how is that achieved? MPS-802 test 1.0. Now, how is... You find that in the book? We may give that a go.